Hi guys, hello everyone! Welcome back to my class. During our today's tutorial, I will teach you how to paint cute cats, cute watercolor illustrations, and I hope you will like this one. And I promise that in the end of the class, you will know how to paint cats. Sometimes that might be pretty complicated. Let's go! Well guys, let's start painting our cute cat in a watercolor style, and first of all let's lower the opacity. And once again, for this painting I'm gonna use Archer's texture paper from my last watercolor painting set, Perfect Edger Smudger. So I will go and grab brown color that I will add behind, and this brush is perfect for mixing different shades. Now I will go and grab Boo watercolor color. I think that's it. Now let's duplicate our layer, and second layer, let's just go to hue saturation brightness and move it to white color. Merge together. Duplicate, merge together. Great, now we can merge together with our previous layer. Now we have our white cat that is not transparent, you might see it. And next step, I need to press clip and mask, and now if I want to paint, I can just paint on our area of our cat, just this area is selected. And I will go and grab Boo Salted brush that is very cool, and I want to add some shades. Okay, here we'll have tan. Now we need to create one more layer that is also in clipping mask mode. And I'm gonna go and change it to, it's better to grab Oriental dry brush. Boo Perfect Edger again. As a blending tool, you can use Boo Perfect Edger or Smudger. And I'm gonna go and once again grab Oriental dry brush, because I'm gonna add some lines. Now we need to create new layer that will not be in a clip and mask mode. So now let's move to the background, and it should be underneath of everything. And guys, my suggestion, what else you can do with our cat is you can deselect clip and mask, and you see now it's so beautiful with all those splashes. Well guys, let's move to the next part after we've done with our cat. And now we need to paint surroundings, background. And for that we need to create a new layer. And we'll move to the other brush, BooPerfect Edger and Smudger. And I need to grab something like light green color. Okay. And let's paint plants. Now let's grab darker color. Something like that. And I'm gonna go and grab Oriental dry brush. Cool. Now let's go and change the saturation. Let's make it brighter. Like this. So cool. Now I want to paint window, and I will go and grab runny edges brush, and kinda window will be blue, I think. Yeah, I want to have those sharp edges like this. Okay, perfect. Now I want to add some highlights, color variations, and that will be the end. And let's start with our plant. Freehand. Feather, 15%, hue, saturation, brightness. Like this. So I changed the color, and now it looks amazing. Okay. Cool. Now once again we are on our background layer, and I want to add highlights, percent, hue, saturation, brightness, and like this. Okay, pretty lovely. And I want to add dark shades. Feather, 15%. Okay, like this. And guys, one more option, what you can do, you can just duplicate that, make one layer less saturated, and after merge together two layers. Very lovely. If you like, you can just blend some edges, make it more natural. Like this. Well, I like that. One more final detail, you can return to our plant. After that, press selection tool, automatic, like this, and after feather, maybe 4%, hue, saturation, brightness, and you can lower the brightness, and now you see that our edges are very, very sharp. Well, and after that, just merge together our layers. So this is our cat, this is our background. You can keep the cat on separate layer, or you can keep cat in surroundings.
And also, if you like, you can also make our cat more saturated, like this. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my today's tutorial, and now you know how to paint a cute cat in a watercolor style. So, and if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in the next video. Bye bye!